Hey guys, it's Carlos with the HID Factory, and today I got 2018 Ford Mustang. This is a 5.0 GT. So what we're doing specifically for these cars are the emblems. As you can see now, it looks chrome, it looks like a regular emblem. The rear one looks the same. We're going to go show both of them, but they're going to look chrome when it's parked, when it's not doing anything. Then when you get your daytime running lights, we get them to glow. We can get them to glow white, blue, or red, guys. This customer chose red. His rims are red. He went with that look. Let me go ahead and show you the back one as well. Like I said, it's really clean Mustang. It's a really nice kit on it, really nice rims, spoiler on it. And again, here's the GT in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off one more time so you guys can see what it looks like stock. You get the chrome look, everything like came from factory. Then when you go to drive, or again, we can put this, he just wanted on his daytime running lights. We can put this to come on with your headlights. We can put this to come on a switch. And if you even want it, we can make it come on your phone as well. So, many ways to set it up, guys, but the final product, this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna get a lighted emblem. These are all for the new Fords. They're on our website if you wanna check them out at thehidfactory.com. As well, if you guys wanna check out more videos on Fords, we did a red Ford Mustang from U of H. If you want to check out that video, she did underglow, interior, everything. We went all out on that project, or any other vehicle you guys want to check out. We're available on YouTube as the HID Factory. And guys, when you watch the videos, like and subscribe. It helps us, give us time to make these videos, put them in, put the work in, and post them out there for you guys to see. And again, just like and subscribe here on your bottom left side of your right side of your screen. And you're in there to win prizes. We give away free shirts, lights, halos, what have you. Thank you again, guys.